What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes, creamy Cajun pasta. But hey, we're not going to waste any time. Let's get right to it. Alright guys, we're going to start by cutting all of our produce, getting it all prepped and ready. What we're having today for this recipe is going to be chopped garlic, we have an onion, bell pepper, and celery. Also, we're going to use some fresh chives as well as some fresh parsley. Alright guys, next we're going to get this chicken seasoned up. First I went with the Cajun rub, spread that all over the chicken. Next we'll go down with some garlic powder and also some fresh cracked pepper and Old Bay seasoning. Alright guys, next we're gonna oil the chicken, put some olive oil on it. I like to pat it down with my hand, get it nice and spread out. It's also gonna spread that rub, kind of get the seasonings all over the chicken. And then next we're gonna flip it over and season this other side with pretty much the same seasonings. Just kind of do a little repeat. Once we're seasoned up, let's go ahead and put our chicken in a hot cast iron pan. I love using a cast iron. This gives any type of meat actually a nice crust on both sides. Just kind of cook it on each side for a couple minutes. Flip it over. You get a nice golden brown color like this with a nice crust. Do the same for the other side. Cook for a few minutes. Once it's nice and brown on both sides and cooked all the way through, we'll go ahead and take it off. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and get our sauce going. We'll start with olive oil. Spread that around in the pan. Once you get your pan nice and hot and evenly coated with the olive oil, let's go ahead and put down our holy trinity, which is going to be your onion, bell pepper, and celery. It is a Cajun staple, these seasonings. Next, we'll put in our fresh chopped garlic. Give it a nice stir. Get everything mixed together well. I'm going to saute that for a couple minutes. Toss in a little butter, because why not? Alright guys, now we'll add in some crawfish tails for some extra flavor. I love these crawfish tails. They're perfect for pasta. They're easy to do. They're frozen, so you don't really have to do any peeling or anything like that. Very easy to use, especially in pastas. So we'll put that in there, give it a nice stir. Then next we'll add in some salt and pepper. And don't worry guys, I'll list all of the ingredients down below in the description. Give that a nice stir. Next we'll add in our heavy whipping cream. It's going to give it that really creamy texture. Add a ton of flavor as well. Especially once that crawfish mixes in with that cream, it'll give it a nice color as well. We'll also throw in a little bit of cream cheese, as well as some crushed tomatoes. That cream cheese is going to give it a really nice texture. The tomatoes are good for a little flavor as well as color as well. It's going to look really nice when it's done, guys. All right, now we're gonna go down with some more Cajun seasoning. I use Tony's for this, also some Slap Your Mama. Funny name, but man, it tastes good. Now we'll follow up with some shredded Parmesan cheese. Give that a nice stir. And I'm telling you guys, that sauce is loaded with flavor right now. We'll also add in some fresh parsley that we chopped up earlier. Also, very key ingredient are bay leaves. These little guys add an enormous amount of flavor. Alright guys, that sauce is looking good. So now we can go ahead and add in our cooked pasta. I'm using penne, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you guys prefer a different type of pasta with this type of dish. I really enjoy the penne for this. I've used linguine before, but I really like the penne. You guys let me know what you think. Alright guys, now we'll go ahead and get that chicken sliced up. We're going to place this right on top of the pasta. That chicken is perfectly cooked. This is going to be great. So next we'll build our pasta. Go ahead and add those noodles to a bowl. We'll go ahead and start garnishing. Place our chicken right on top, and that's pretty much it, guys. And guys, this recipe is really versatile. I obviously use chicken and crawfish for it, but let me know in the comments what you guys end up using. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and smash that subscribe. Thanks guys, enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one.